Hey friends, and welcome back to my 2021 holiday DIY videos. Today we are going to be making a really cute Christmas house with some Dollar Tree supplies. I'll quickly go over the supplies that I have here and then we'll get started with the DIY. So first of all, I picked up two of these little wooden Christmas plaques that are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use two of them. I also grabbed a package of these wooden sticks. They're like the little wooden popsicle sticks. I'm loving that Dollar Tree carries yarn now. Premier Just Yarn, and it's in this kind of like taupey tan color. Two of these Crafters square adhesive cork sheets. Two of those. In the toy section, I found these wooden dominoes, and they're these really thin wooden dominoes, so we're going to use two packages of those. And I also grabbed a package of these little gold mini Christmas trees, the little wire brush mini trees. I have a hot glue gun. I also have a little crafter's knife, which came from the Dollar Tree as well, and some scissors. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I also picked up some of this white spray paint. You can find it at Walmart, like 99 cents or $1.99, something like that. It was very inexpensive. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my two little wooden houses and we're going to be gluing them together with these popsicle sticks, so make sure you have your hot glue warmed up. I'm going to continue to go down the side of my house with a little bit of glue on each end of the popsicle sticks, and we're going to just be making the siding. Alright, so once we have our sides glued on our house, we're going to start working on our roof frame. Now we're not going to do the entire roof with popsicle sticks because that's what we're going to be using these dominoes for, but we're going to make a little frame. So just like we did on the side, we are going to glue a few popsicle sticks to the roof every 2 or so inches all the way up to the peak of the roof. So here is our little house with the roof frame and the sides, and now we are going to go and take our spray paint and bring this outside and give this a good coat of white paint all the way around. So while I'm waiting for the paint to dry on my little cottage, I'm going to make some roof shingles out of these little wooden dominoes, which they're really thin. They're perfect shape and size for a little roof shingle. Now you don't really have to do this step if you don't want. You could have actually just hot glued these right on to the section of the roof that we did the little cross beams on, and then spray painted the whole thing. But I actually liked the look of this Crafters cork adhesive paper. I think this will add a nice little touch. And so this is what they're going to look like. Basically, I'm just tracing out on the back side of my cork sheet. I'm just tracing out the shape of these little tiles, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut them out with some scissors. And then they just have the adhesive on the back, and you can just stick the adhesive piece right on the back side of your little domino. So my house is all dry, front and back, and I have all my little shingle tiles done up. I figured I'm going to need 24 of the tiles, and it's going to be 3 rows of 4 on each side of the roof. I have all the ceiling tiles on. both sides, and now I'm working on these cute little fringes, these little tassels that I'm going to put all around the outside edge of our roof. And I'm doing that with some of this yarn and this nice brown color, and it's actually very close to color as the little roof tiles that I did. Alright, so I have all the little tassels on the roof of my house. I think it looks so cute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding these cute little Christmas trees, these gold decorative brush bottle trees. You can see I have these little ledges on the bottom that I'm going to be able to put some glue and glue these little trees on. Alright, so here is the final Scandinavian Christmas house. I have it up on the ledge here on our cabinets. It is super cute. It's just kind of minimalistic. It's kind of like that Scandinavian theme that I'm going for this year here at our Florida house. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and